Have you ever wondered what the latest affordable tech gadgets are? In this fast-paced world of technology, it can be challenging to keep up with the latest innovations. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate these tech-infused waters. Today, we're focusing on affordability without compromising on quality or functionality. We're talking about gadgets that pack a punch in terms of features but won't burn a hole in your pocket. We've got a variety of gadgets lined up for you, from the much-loved smartphones to the increasingly popular wireless headphones, smartwatches, and even action cameras. Each of these gadgets brings something unique to the table, and we're going to explore what makes them tick. So, are you ready to discover some of the latest affordable tech gadgets that are making waves in 2023? Great! Let's dive into our first gadget, the Smartphone X. First up, we have the Smartphone X. This gem of a device boasts a substantial 6.2-inch screen, offering you a vivid and immersive viewing experience that's hard to beat. But that's not all. With its 48-megapixel camera, the Smartphone X ensures you capture life's moments in stunning clarity and color. Be it a picturesque sunset or a spontaneous selfie, this camera has got you covered. And with a battery that's built to last, you can stay connected without constant recharging intrusions. The Smartphone X truly marries high-end features with a price tag that doesn't break the bank. It's proof that you don't need to compromise quality for affordability when it comes to smartphones. Now that's what we call getting a bang for your buck. Moving on, let's talk about the Soundwave wireless headphones. Next on our list, the Soundwave wireless headphones. These nifty little gadgets are a game changer for those of us who love to jam out on the go. One of their key features is comfort. With a sleek, ergonomic design, the Soundwave headphones snugly fit the contours of your ears, ensuring maximum comfort during long listening sessions. They also boast easy connectivity. Pairing them with your device is as simple as a few taps on your screen, and once they're connected, they stay connected, giving you a seamless audio experience. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Soundwave headphones deliver a truly impressive audio experience. From the deepest bass to the highest treble, every note is crystal clear. And we can't forget about the charging case. It ensures that you won't run out of battery when you need your headphones the most. Best of all, these headphones won't break the bank. They're proof that great sound can come at an affordable price. Now let's switch gears and talk about the FitLife smartwatch. Now let's take a look at the FitLife smartwatch. This isn't just a timepiece, it's a fitness companion that goes beyond telling hours. The FitLife smartwatch is designed to help you stay on top of your health game with its incredible fitness tracking capabilities. It meticulously records your steps, monitors your heart rate, and even keeps tabs on your sleep patterns. But the FitLife smartwatch isn't just about health and fitness. It's also about convenience. Imagine getting smart notifications right on your wrist. That's right, no need to pull out your phone every time you get a text or an email. And did we mention its sleek design? This smartwatch is more than just a gadget, it's a fashion accessory that complements your style. Despite these high-end features, the FitLife smartwatch remains affordable. It's a perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability. Lastly, let's explore the Action Pro Action Camera. Finally, for the adventurers out there, the Action Pro Action Camera. This compact powerhouse is not only affordable, it's also water-resistant and captures stunning 4K video. Imagine recording your wild outdoor escapades or documenting your serene underwater discoveries, all in crystal-clear high definition. The Action Pro makes it possible without breaking the bank. It's a small investment for massive, memorable returns. So, that wraps up our list of affordable tech gadgets. In summary, these are just some of the latest affordable tech gadgets on the market. From the Smartphone X, with its powerful camera and long-lasting battery, to the Soundwave wireless headphones offering impressive sound quality. We've also explored the FitLife smartwatch, a perfect fitness companion, and the water-resistant Action Pro camera for all your outdoor adventures. So don't hesitate to explore these options and take your tech experience to the next level. Thanks for joining us in this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.